Well, we know Cleveland is on the cutting edge of worldwide healthcare, but now yet another major advancement in surgery has been discovered.
The surgeons at university hospitals teamed up with the Air Force to create a virtual program. News Channel 5's Alicia Ciccoloni is live now with details about the surgical theater.
Well, Danita, this amazing machine called the surgical theater was designed to help surgeons practice the procedure that they need to do on the patients using their exact scans. The whole idea, the surgeon will know exactly what they're dealing with and how to get rid of the problem with the stress-free surgery.
You are looking at a massive piece of equipment that will save lives. It's called the surgical theater. Neurosurgeon-in-chief of University Hospitals, Dr. Warren Selman, says this high-tech creation came out of a fateful moment as he was getting a cup of coffee 3 years ago.
I heard in front of me a person talking about flight simulators and what they do. And as I thought about that, that's the same thing we do in surgery, actually. Wouldn't it be nice if we could actually rehearse the mission the night before so we'd have experience?
So without hesitation, Dr. Selman approached that man who ended up being a former Israeli Air Force engineer and simulator creator, Madi Avizar.
When they really did the mission, it was like a deja vu. They've already been there. And he asked me, can you really do the deja vu for us?
Dr. Selman's hope was to focus first on the most intense neurosurgery performed, an aneurysm. Avizar worked with another Israeli Air Force veteran, pilot Alon Jerry, both of them flight simulation experts.
Now I find myself in the situation where I can transform my knowledge, my experience, from war machines to saving life machines.
Dr. Selman's demonstration shows us how it works using the patient's real CT or MRI scan. This robotic tool helps the surgeon mimic what he would be doing in surgery to perfect it.
If I say, you know what, I didn't like that exactly, the advantage here is practice using it as many times as I want, whereas I could never do that at surgery without actually harming a patient. It's never been able to be done before in surgery.
This team says this surgical theater is just a piece of what's to come for the future of medicine in Cleveland.
Well, a lot of people have asked, where did they come up with the name surgical theater? The pilots say surgeons are artists. The operating room is their theater. That's where they perform their work of art in the way they help you with surgery. They are already working on advancing surgical theater to go to every type of surgery for all surgeons to use. Live, Alicia Ciccoloni, News Channel 5.